Today we will learn Chinese characters.
二
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
二二二二月二月二月份是春天2月份是春天第二我是第二名我是第二名二手我买了一辆二手车我买了一辆二手车
Next, let's look at how to write this character. Pay attention when writing this character. These two strokes are different in length. This character is actually very simple. It only has two strokes. It can be said that this is the second simplest Chinese character. In Chinese culture, this character is not only a number, but also symbolizes the balance of yin and yang, the origin of all creation in Taoist thought, and carries the Chinese people's good wish that good things come in pairs. Let's write it one last time. That's all for today. See you next class.